Low as a bee.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is again not really a normal video. I'm gonna be posting more Bloxburg Bloxburg videos, Roblox. Don't mind my avatar, it is so bad, what the heck. But yeah, so today I'll be touring my house that I made. It is off a build, but I decorated not off the build, like I decorated from me and my friend Zoe helped me decorate it. So here's what the house looks like. You might have seen it before, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Don't mind still have the Christmas decorations. I might leave this little tree over here up. But yeah. Wait, first let me just get my mood up, guys. I'm back. I'm sorry. And sorry if my voice sounds a little bit cracky. I don't know why. So I didn't really know how to add in floors, but now I do, so I'll do it later. So right now it's just snow. I'm not really pleased with like the landscaping, but that's okay. I haven't parked my car in the garage yet, but yeah. I will be criticizing my work a little bit, so yeah. The roof is not the best and just normal garage. Trees. What the heck? Oh my god, what the heck? Change permission. I'm blocking that girl. What the heck? That is scary. Oh my god. What is she doing? Go away. I'm gonna tell her to go away. My gosh. Okay. What the heck? That's creepy. Okay, so never mind that. I actually really like these gates because it's like really cute, I think. And then I got a little trampoline because I like to role play with my friends. And there is a roof. You just it's flat. So yeah, this looks like more of a modern house, but when you get inside, it's definitely not a modern house. Little sitting area. So what you see when you walk in. You have a little office area. Yeah, dining room. And then this, oh wait, first I'll go in here. The bathroom. This is where it doesn't look like modern. My friend really helped me build this and I really like it. I may change this though so it's not pink. But here's what the living room looks like. And then here's what the kitchen looks like. And then sitting area again, and then in here laundry area. I love the laundry area, it's so cute. And then out here, if you go out here, this is the stairs that are from outside, so you could just come upstairs like this or whatever way. Yeah, so two little sitting areas. I love this room. Okay, so you have these decorations are so cute, but then you go in here and it's a walk-in closet. And I think it's really, really cute, and I love it. Moving on to the next room. Sorry about that, and sorry that I'm stinking. Yeah, but here is this room. We're gonna go in here. Oops. And we're gonna take a shower while we're touring the room. So you see, don't mind me. Nice little stuff, plant. Just normal, it's cute, decorated. Over here is just a normal room again. Yeah, and then the last room is this little nursery. So yeah, that is my house. I mean, it's small and it's not much, but I've improved on building and I really, really like it. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.